EO Refrigerator Model CRBR2412IOBR Error Codes. EO 24-inch freestanding refrigerator with 12 cubic feet total capacity, 4 glass shelves, crisper drawer. Right hinge Energy Star certified, metal chrome handle, multi-flow cooling, wine rack in black. Error codes. Appliance is connected but does not work. Ensure that the appliance is plugged in and there is power in the outlet. Confirm that circuit breaker or fuse has not tripped. Cooling system operates continuously for extended periods of time. Ambient temperature too high. Door opened frequently or for too long. Door not closed properly, misaligned, damaged or dirty door seals. Large load of food added at once. Temperature sensor blocked by food, preventing proper air circulation. Ensure recommended clearances are adhered to. Ensure there is adequate air circulation behind the appliance. Excessive ice buildup on the back wall. Note: some moisture buildup is normal.